And again, behind the scene, kung ano yung nangyayari. Hindi naman talaga behind the scene to kasi ako lang naman, kasi wala naman akong crew. Okay. Tapos na. Yes, we're done. Ang init. So, walang makakakuha ng video sa akin doon. So, I need to finish this one. So, we're going to remove our makeup because I'm going to edit, I'm going to work, and hindi tayo alis ng ganito yung makeup natin kasi blue na blue siya, besh. Though I like this makeup before, like 2000 babies, ganon. That's the time na talagang, tayo, rock and roll tayo, no? And then the pose on this one, remember? Sino yung mga 2000 babies dyan na rumarampa na naka-blue yung eyeshadow. Tapos yung eyeshadow, one color. Tapos may shimmer na white. Talagang white dito sa brow bone. Sino? Before, my hair was super long like this, kaya sleek. Ano naman yung hair natin? Wala akong magawa. Ganito lang. God, kaloka. Para lang talagang merong ganyan. Picture. Strike a pose. My God, tanggalin na natin to. Ang laki ng hoop na. Ginagamit ko lang to sa ating mga makeup natin, day. Ang init na. We need to rest. Baka naman may aircon dyan. Ito, shout out to Ma'am Leng. Super thankful. Meron talagang akong naisip paano ko to siya sa video ko. So, this is from Ma'am Leng, Ali Ariza Padillo. Thank you so much for my clothes. Ganon. We're going to remove our makeup. White, remember white, and then dito super, parang illuminating. Tapos yung mga foundation pa nun yung, by that time, ginagamit ko Kokoryo. Aminin, Kokoryo girls. Kokoryo, Nichido, yung mga green na concealer dyan, green na foundation, di ba? Who can relate? Yung green na cake foundation, yung binabasa pa ng tubig in the Philippines. I use that during my theater days. Kasi I work in a certain theater na talagang todo yung makeup ginagamit talaga yun para to brighten our eyes. Kasi wala pa naman tayong budget before, yung Kokoryo na green, tapos sinispray ng water, tapos inaano ng sponge, tapos ginaganon-ganon dito na part. Who can relate? Ganon. Yung mga natin. So guys, ito naman, itong ginamit ko na to, lang to siya guys. Again, it became my favorite, yung M13. Ang ingay. M13, tapos nilagyan ko ng lip gloss. So wait, muna natin yung door. Ang ingay. Yan. I'm back. Again, thank you so much, Ma'am Ellie Ariza, for this beautiful, parang partial coat. To siya? She's a performer as well. She's a very good dancer. She's a very good dancer. She's a good singer as well. Just like Ma'am May. Happy birthday to her. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Maybell. God bless you always. I love you and God bless your family. Parang ayoko to i-remove but I need to remove this one. Gusto ko na. I saw this na meron pala akong hope na ganun. By the way, I ordered this from Shein, I guess. And then the foundation that I used is from Cloud Touch. Naging favorite ko na siya, guys. Sige, magtanggal na tayo and chika. By the way, guys, I could not thank you enough because of the 1 million views of the Asuka Makeup Challenge. I was super, this palette, nire-reuse ko siya, besh. Pero meron akong iba for clients. I usually use this for brides. Pero meron akong, stock na ganyan. Ang dami. Okay. I really love Garnier because it doesn't sting on my face. Garnier, baka naman siya. It doesn't sting on my eyes. Guys, are you also a fan of, K-drama? Kasi K-drama, I really wanted to do live, but ang ingay talaga dito, guys. It will not permit me. Ginamit ko lang, guys, is lang ako ng light blue, tapos dark blue, tapos liner. Yun na, tapos na. Tapos na yung labanan. Grabe. As you can see. If you know lang na, super, I really wanted to make more transition videos. After this, I'm going to edit and just what and ang dami kong trabaho, besh. Marami akong in-edit. Pumuslit lang talaga. We're super clean. Ko, diba? Magdo-double cleanse na tayo. We're good nila. I don't know, how do you call this brand? Hindi siya makikita. Ano to? Covrance Corrector Detint. Beautifying lip balm. So, ilalagay ko siya sa lips ko. It's a lip balm. Pero siyang corrector. Ang ganda niya sa lips. Tingnan niyo. And, yan na. I'm going to double cleanse and apply my skincare again. By the way, guys, paubos na yung GT Cosmetics ko na serum. I super love it. After double cleansing, nilalagay ko siya. And then, this one as well. Diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. Super ganda nito sa skin. Super, ang bilis pa ma-absorb. So, yan. Thank you so much for watching. What's your, request for makeup transformation? See you. God bless. See you soon. Comment nyo ha. Comment nyo. Bye-bye. God bless, Saranghe.